Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs with another Krietz Customs build. Here beside me I have a 2018 Ford F-250 SD Lariat, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added. Here with the wheel and tire package, this is a Hostile Rage. It's a H113. This is a 24x14 with a -76 offset. So you're still going to get that nice deep dish look. It's armor plated and it's also going to have your exposed lug nuts, so your chrome spike lug nuts are going to look great on this wheel. Your tire is a Nitto Trail Grappler. It is a 375/40/24. It's a great aggressive looking wheel. Your running boards are going to be your rough country Nerf wheel-to-wheel running boards. The suspension lift is a 6-inch zone off-road suspension lift, and the dual stabilizer is with it as well. So if you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is B72388. If you want to build your truck like this, make sure you shoot me a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or go to our gallery at KreitzCustoms.com.